Good day to you. This is the Forex Day Trade Planner with the daily report for Friday, August 7, 2015. Euro dollar. On the daily chart, the USD is coming closer to finally getting out of the very large descending triangle formation. The compression of price has left us with a very range-bound market for the past few weeks. As we near the very tip of the compression, it will be nice to see the euro finally break out and pick a direction. Seeing the interest rate differences between Europe and the US, we favor a move down in the euro. In the meantime, a trade within the range is possible if the market sets up with a bounce from one of the market maker manipulation zones listed on both sides of the price, and therefore would consider a trade in either direction, should a trade set up from one of these areas at a turning point in our indicator. On to the probability indicator and the news. Today is the first Friday of the month, and we will have the release of the non-farm payroll this afternoon in Europe and morning in the United States. Most markets tend to range and freeze up to this moment, unless some moving local news rolls in. This is possible because there is a lot of news out in Europe. The bias for euro on the probability chart is to go lower, and we will sell euro when the industrial production in Germany and France is weak. In the current summer holiday market, the price has been ranging between a high of 109.50 and a low of 108.50. We will follow the indicator and look for tops at the top of the range to sell, and bottoms to buy. We will keep positions small, and take profit quickly, and exit the market before the news from the United States at 2:30. End of euro dollar. Pound dollar, August 7. Cable was sold off yesterday after the news from the Bank of England was pretty soft. It is in risk of losing from a multi-week high at 156.80 and could easily break beneath 155. A retest of 154.70 could be on the cards if today's news is weak for pound, or the non-farm payroll is strong for dollar. Let's look at the news overview and the probability indicator. We will have UK news at 10:30. According to our method, we do not trade before important news, but follow it if the news is in line with the probability indicator. As you can see in the chart, the pound is in a weak part of its current and wants to go down today. So if the news is negative for the pound, we will follow it up on the break until the crossover to the market open in the US at 1:30 p.m. After that, all eyes will be on the non-farm payrolls. We will look to profit from any obvious news in line with the indicator, which, as you can see, is pretty volatile in the rest of Friday. End of pound dollar. If you have any questions or remarks, then contact us via our website, www.forexdaytradeplanner.com. To keep up with our daily reports like you have just seen, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Happy trading, and see you tomorrow morning on this channel.